There's one sound in Spanish that actually spans about three different sounds in English and blurs them all together into sort of a single sound. It's the Spanish sound created by the Y letter, or sometimes spelled as a double L. This one sound, depending on the regional accent, could be anywhere from a j to a y, and sometimes even a j. The easiest phrase to listen for is yo me llamo. It might sound like yo me llamo, or yo me llamo, or even yo me llamo if you're listening to an Argentinian. So you've got to pay attention to the regional accent of Spanish that you are trying to learn and pay attention to how exactly they create this sound. Check the link in the bio for more Spanish accent tips.